hope this work though. Start running there, you feel me?
I don't know, it's something?
When I think of that, me just feel like I wonder if I drink too much water.
I don't think so. Oh, if I drink too much water. I don't see you drinking a lot of water.
I drink 1 liter of water today. So we use the bathroom about 5
If
times.
I see something there, after I did eat my breakfast, I must have go back to the bathroom.
I'm not feel well right now. So I just hope like in the middle of the video now.
You want to go try and then come back?
No man, you know that bad, you know? You feel like you can't hold out that long as you want to talk. I want this up. You done?
Yeah, I'm just working. Make sure your screen clean too. Right, so run to it.
I said make sure it says.
Camera.
Not to know which one them camera. Yeah, clean like whistle, you know. Yeah, good. All right.
Yes, just relax a bit. Please.
Relax.
You sit up a while ago. Did you check if this alright?
Oh, look.
Like alignment or you kind of look for. Look how it look on the screen.
See.
How it look? Oh.
All right. Virgonation, what's up? What's happening? Welcome back to another video, Virgonation. I know you guys are worried. You're wondering what's up. Where are our videos? We have lots of friends, families, supporters. You know, just people from Virgonation in general. They've been reaching out to us, wondering.
Where are the videos?
Oh my gosh. Well, truth is, this is gonna be our last video. This is gonna be our last video.
Don't be that guy, please. Don't be that guy.
No, so that one was a mash up, you know?
And something like.
That was a joke. But obviously it's not a joke, really.
No, I must take everything literal.
Because you are the spiritual woman, you know, right?
It's not a prank channel, okay?
These are like, you cannot say them thing there because
like
you never know when you call them away.
Channel.
No. Well, the truth is, when we just started vlogging, we never expect we still have vlog now. That's the truth.
Oh, so you never serious about vlogging?
No, but I thought that like coronavirus is over by now.
So coronavirus is over?
Yeah, I feel like you
So,
know.
when you open up back in, there's a video on here with someone asking if we plan to vlog, if we're still vlogging when we're opening up. I said that's the plan. So you lied.
Really?
Yes, we did. It was a live.
Yeah, we're live, you know.
So, whole time I planned for ditch Vernon. I enjoy this. You know I am, man.
Anyways, guys. We just want everybody to know that
Wow.
No, man. And a bitching thing, man. It's just what I wanted to say was, you know, just funny how things work out sometimes. You know, we're still here and realize that our videos, you know, it a lot of people say it motivate them, it uplift them spirit, you know. So I guess this is one of the reasons why people have been reaching out to us and wondering what's up. You know, even my friend of Marlon reached out to it to
Marlon saying I withdrawal.
Yeah, the man said, what's what going on? We don't see nothing, alright?
I mean, no more watch everything, we don't miss nothing.
Yeah, you know, so, but we're fine, guys. We're here to give you a little update on everything that is going on with us, and some of the reasons why you haven't been getting your videos on a regular. We know over the past 2 months we have been very, very inconsistent with how we said we would be posting in the first place. You know, we said we would post Sundays
And Wednesdays.
and Wednesdays. What time would it say again?
Sundays at 4 and Wednesdays at 7 p.m. and then it became Sundays at 7 and Wednesdays at 7 and then it just became when we can.
Whenever we can.
Yeah.
Yeah, but
Sunday or Monday, Wednesday or Thursday, different times.
yeah, but we hope when we get a little bit more understanding when we don't talk, you know?
More clarity.
A little bit more clarity. But we're good, we're fine, we're doing well. You know, babies are doing well. And
just a little bit overwhelmed.
yeah, to be honest with you, you know. You would understand that we are doing it all, you could say all by ourselves.
Sing it.
All by ourselves. You know we're doing it all by. Can't hit that note now, too late.
Honestly, maybe honestly there. The way I did it, I sing it in my head. I'm a low, like, I never expected it to order like on me.
And this is a date down.
Wait, no. When I get out, I say, you can't go help you with whatever.
Until you see me start, then I'm fertilized myself. Flappy said back
That's you know, we have a little note that we can't hit. My friends come in and say, oh, okay.
You serious?
Rupert wise. Okay.
But, yeah. You wanted the floor?
So, what have we been doing? What has been taking up so much of our time? Why we haven't been able to post, as a matter of fact, a video in the last 2 weeks. Because we missed about 4 posts.
Yeah. And we said we did inconsistent for the past 2 months.
We did try at least drop a 1 or 2 video, you know, throughout. Well, guys, we have been working. For me, my work hours have been crazy. I have either been going out earlier in the mornings or coming home later in the nights, like some past curfew hours. So it has been hard to really balance making the videos as well as, you know, remain doing the editing, because in the daytime he has to take care of the girls. Once I'm not here, it's all him. So, you know, yeah, working.
Yeah. You know, for me, I'm trying to, you know, stay consistent with everything. Now and then, I'll be in the studio, you know, trying to do some work, because you know that's the first love, and you know we can't let it out. So, Jesus, he said, I think about him. I say, yo, Lisa gonna look for me all because they're gonna say something like this. You understand what I mean, Virgonation?
I understand.
Please understand, but
right.
she does. You know. So you know that's where it all started, and you know it's close to my heart. Some, you know, from time to time, myself, Nico, we're in the studio. Whenever I get the opportunity, that is, we're in the studio working on something else. You know, just working on something else. You know, but whenever we get the opportunity, and it is the thing that outside of, you know, family. It is that one thing where really and truly make me feel alive and feel like, you know, life is worth living, you know. So I've been busy, you know, trying to record some new music now and then, and you know, so far it's been going good. If you look at some of our last vlogs, you'll realize that sometimes, most times, you see me, either me by myself, or I see Liz by herself, either coming from work, or so that alone should show you, say, hey, you know,
Tag team.
a tag thing with the pan. So, yeah, we're trying, and it will get better.
Yeah, I believe
Yeah.
so.
Yeah.
The clearness.
Mm-hmm.
And we have exciting news, guys. We've been working on our merch. Yes, we chose the designs, and they're different.
Amazing.
They're
You know, big up to Joe and Bridget, you know, who is the one, you know, Bridget from college days, you know, till these days, you know, still my brother. You know, he's the one who's working on the merch for us in terms of the design and everything. As we said, we've seen them so far, and they're amazing. There's gonna be something for everybody from the family. You know, we'll have something for you and
for
something
the kids, for the babies. Yeah.
kids, for the babies. So should be amazing. I wish we could
it
just.
would be a good start. What do you think?
Me.
Like, it's not everything that we want to do as merch, but
Yeah,
it will be a good
exactly,
start.
exactly.
Start to cut it out.
Yeah, that's fine, man. You know, at least we're starting somewhere. You know, and you know, at the end of the day, we don't like to overdo things either. You know, we want to take our time and build and grow as we go forward. You know, so we started with simple. You know, with just simpler stuff. And you know, as time go by, hopefully we can get better at them. You know, but we're excited about them based on what we've seen so far, and we
Yes.
can't wait for you guys to see them.
And we've been getting a lot of merch requests,
Mhm.
so you know, we thought it fit to start somewhere because it's long overdue, I would say,
Yeah.
based on how long you guys have been suggesting that we do merch.
Mhm.
So
And next thing
looking
too,
forward to it.
yeah. And next thing too, I don't know if we kind of, you know, if you can call it if we could have called it perfection in a sense, for the mere fact say,
Perfectionist.
yeah, we're perfectionists.
Mm.
How would we say perfection in a sense?
Perfection in a sense.
Jesus, I tell you, I don't know.
Desire.
Yeah, I guess you could have called it so we're perfectionists in a sense because, you know, there are times where we get a design from Joey and then we look on it and say, yo, this nice, and then they say, but we can't either add this or take out this, or, you know, so
And
collectively we've been working together.
we can't forget Caris.
And
Effort.
Effort, yeah.
Yeah, we have to.
Caris was a big part of the whole thing. Ariel, you know, Nico, all of us, you know, just working together to say, hey, this is it. This look good. You can work with this. You can work with that, you know. So it's a team effort so far, and you know them say, one hand can clap. But if you just put two hands
Okay.
together,
Romain, I just hope.
tell me.
Let me just drop my disclaimer right now. I just hope I'm not messing up this video by staring at a focal point on the phone that is not the camera.
Oh no, it's fine. Once you look anywhere right around that screen, you're good, man.
Man, boy oh boy, Liz, really?
Yeah. So the merch is something that we've been busy working on as well. Something else that we've been working on that we haven't mentioned. We didn't even know that we never even planned to mention this. But this is something that we've been working on for a while now. You know, there's nothing to talk about it. Guys, ever since we family extended.
Oh. Yeah, so ever since we found out that the family was going to be extended, which is before the girls were born, we kind of had an idea that it's possible that what we saw as a big enough space would probably it would probably not be enough for like to accommodate the girls and maybe additional help. It was a lot of space in comparison to where we were coming from. So the vision, we saw ourselves here and we were good, and we're still good enough, but we could be better because it's kind of limiting us as to what we can do, because we really need to be able to get out there and do our individual stuff that we have to do, a lot of business to be done, and the girls need to be taken care of as well. So we've been actively looking for a bigger space. It has been rough, but we are actively trying to resolve that.
Yeah.
You know?
I want to hold the faith at the same time, you know, and try to be content at the same time, because you know, if you don't do that, then you know, pressure will bust pipe. You know that already.
Pressure bust pipe, man.
Yeah, so you know, we're patient at the same time, even though it can be a very what's the word there, Liz? Help me. What's that word?
Discouraging, heartbreaking.
All of those words.
Yeah.
It can be those at times, but we believe so much in the man above, and you know, we are hoping that you know things can work out. So that is something that we've been extremely busy working on as well, you know, and it takes time. It takes patience and all that, you know, effort and energy.
Yeah.
God is able.
I believe so. God is able.
Yeah, man.
We'd like to thank each and every person that has supported us thus far. We thank you guys, everyone that reached out. I have DMs, I have borderline threats. People that say,
read two of them.
We would have to look.
You can find it.
Let me try.
Jeez,
I have people that ask me if I don't know, say they need the videos.
And Liz tell me, say, she have messages like DM. I said, what?
Yeah, man.
For real?
Yeah, and I didn't have time to go through my DMs until today. So some of them just say, somebody say, I hope you all are okay. Haven't seen any video from you guys for a while now. Stay blessed and stay strong. Hi Liz, hope all is well in the street, guys. Just checking up on you guys. Although you did say you guys are really busy. Blessings to you guys.
Oh, gosh.
Hey Auntie Liz, how are you and the fam? We're getting in the video tonight.
So it shows that, you know, you guys really care.
Yeah, we appreciate it.
So you wouldn't even know how much we appreciate you guys for even reaching out, like taking the time out to reach out and find out how we're doing. You know, really still I got your messages.
Virgonation, where have you been? Hope all is well. Miss the videos.
Yeah. But
and the last one I'm gonna read, waiting on them to post. It's like forever.
But that's amazing.
We're gonna try harder to make it fit in.
But I think it's hard to say, yeah man, don't worry yourself. You know, because we know how it can be for us. But we're making every effort. And even that's the reason sometimes you'll see if we miss Sunday, you'll get the video by Monday.
Yeah, or Wednesday.
Yeah.
We post it on Thursday instead.
And we take so much pride in what we put out there. Like me personally, Liz, she know me stay. If I feel like the edit is not up to par, if I feel like the content is just not enough, I don't want to put it out there.
Yeah.
Because it's like it become a work of art. Like you want to. No, it's true. You know.
Take pride in your editing.
I take pride in the editing and just wanting everything to look good at the end of the day.
And for it to come together when you put it together. Together.
That makes sense.
Better.
Yeah. it's an amazing journey so far. And if you're watching this video and you're not yet subscribed, what are you
Please hit
waiting
the
for?
subscribe button.
Yeah, but thank you guys so much for everything. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the support. You know, we're always here, and you know, always giving you.
We're always here though. For 2 weeks now, we're not there.
That's true. But we're here, and when you don't see us, just know that you're on our minds. Wow, it's true. Because sometimes when we realize we're not supposed to say cheese,
Yeah, we are disappointed when we don't get to post.
yeah,
But
man, that's at least we can't make.
sometimes we don't want to push it.
Make Sunday
because it
pass.
can be overwhelming, you know? Yeah.
Yeah.
Especially on the editor. Sometimes we have sleepless nights because in the day he has a lot on his plate. But
Yeah.
we're gonna find a way to make it work.
Better. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you got some clarity on everything that is going on. Big up to everybody who reach out.
If you fell asleep, wake up, man.
Yeah.
Not because I don't want to do funny video, they wake up.
Get
and
up,
listen to
man.
what we're yeah. We're there. Is that all?
I feel like we cover everything.
Yeah.
So see you in our next video, guys.
Blessings.
Until next time, we love you all. Thank you.